You might not care what symmetrical speeds or redundancy means. You just want to make sure your shows aren't buffering and your calls don't get dropped. You might not understand how your internet works, but you sure are frustrated when it's not. My name is Rory Campbell. I am a system administrator here at TWN Communications. I work in the IT department for the last 5 years. TWN Communications has been working for over 25 years to provide reliable internet connectivity to rural areas. People might not understand terms like network tunneling or redundancy, but people understand when their shows are buffering, calls are dropping, or they have lag inside their gaming. People might not understand how their internet works, but they definitely go ahead and notice when it's not. If I'm doing my job properly, it'll go unnoticed, and you can continue on going ahead and learning, reaching out to family members, going ahead and being a better you that you can be. I'm proud to say here at TWN, we always strive to go above and beyond to make sure that you're always connected. We're internet experts, so you don't have to be.